guys! Today I'm breaking down the science of muscle growth. Ever wonder what actually happens when you lift weights and your muscles start to grow? Let's dive in. First up, muscle damage. When you lift weights, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. This might sound bad, but it's actually a good thing. These micro tears are essential because they kickstart the muscle repair process. Next, we have muscle repair. Once your muscle fibers are damaged, your body goes into repair mode. This is when satellite cells come into play. Think of satellite cells as the construction workers of your body. They rush to the damaged area, fuse to the muscle fibers, and help them grow back stronger and bigger. This process is called muscle hypertrophy. Alright, now let's talk about muscle adaptation. Your body is incredibly smart. It adapts to the stress you put on it. So, if you consistently lift heavier weights, your muscles will adapt to handle that load. This is why progressive overload is crucial. By gradually increasing the weight you lift, you keep challenging your muscles, forcing them to grow. But it's not just about lifting weights. Nutrition plays a massive role too. Protein is your best friend here. When you consume protein, your body breaks it down into amino acids, which are the building blocks of muscle. Aim for a balanced diet with plenty of protein to support your muscle growth. And don't forget about rest. Your muscles don't grow in the gym. They grow when you're resting. Make sure you're getting enough sleep and allowing your muscles time to recover between workouts. Overtraining can actually hinder muscle growth and lead to injuries. One last thing, consistency is key. Building muscle is not an overnight process. It takes time, dedication, and patience. Stick with your workout routine, eat well, and get enough rest. Trust the process and you'll see those gains. So that's the science of muscle growth in a nutshell. Remember, muscle growth is a combination of muscle damage, repair, adaptation, proper nutrition, rest, and consistency. Keep pushing yourself, stay committed, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips. See you next time.